Finexio is a accounts payable payments company. Secretly, we're a data company. Data is at the heart of everything that we do at Finexio, and we're using advanced data analytics from leveraging predictive models to help us understand which types of suppliers and merchant categories are most likely to accept various types of payments and or who will accept various modes of payments faster. Incredibly important. We're using tools like automated intelligence around bill payment, where we are looking at our historic payment feeds and types of invoice numbers and payments to predict where and how we can pay in an automated fashion. And we're managing growing supplier database that has various insights and data points that we can leverage to take back insights to our clients to help them better prioritize their activities to drive up check to electronic payment conversion.
At Finexio, our data strategy begins with the idea that we want our data to be both accurate and available, with a strategy that encompasses very strong tools, but also even stronger controls.
In the past couple of years, there's been a 30% increase in the number of attacks aimed at financial services organizations, and especially in the payment industry. As a matter of fact, we just saw a couple of months ago, Capital One suffer one of the largest data breaches in U.S. history, 106 million records lost. So this is not something that is going to stop. And it's really important for information security executives, engineers, and industry as a whole to recognize that the trend is only going to go upward, and we need to take a different approach to information security. Instead of what we've been doing traditionally is identifying the risk and trying to plug those holes, is trying to integrate better information security in the very, very fabric of every organization, from employees to technologies to transactions, a better understanding of exactly what happens in the environment. So we're very challenged as security professionals.
At Finexio, our assets are constantly developing in their potential to meet our requirements for auditing, user controls, payments, and operational flow, as well as the metadata layer of auditing, user behavior, and more. With this in mind, stakeholders in various operational capacities have access to authoring, consumption, or governance capabilities. And all these are considered as part of our evolution of this central data stack.
It's amazing for a company that started about 3 years ago to be at this point. Number one, having a chief information security officer speaks volume for the culture of the company and how the executives feel where security should be. I think one of the biggest undertakings that we've done here at Finexio is basically build security in the fabric of everything that we do, beginning with code, with the culture, also partnering with some really fantastic third parties that are in the cutting edge of cloud security to make sure that our most important assets, which is customer data, is protected in the cloud using encryption and many other security technologies.
So for now, Finexio has been very focused on solidifying the fundamentals of our existing data infrastructure and providing that with the greatest amount of accuracy and transparency that we can. In the future, we anticipate making our data platform much more collaborative to our channel partners, our direct customers, and even their end suppliers. From there, we look to provide an absolutely unprecedented amount of pre-processed business intelligence available to all of those particular partners, and a more democratized model to access our own internal data resources with all appropriate controls though. Unlike many consumer-focused payment solutions, Finexio would like all of our customers to be completely empowered with rich access to the same resources that we use to deliver insights in a way that just currently does not exist in the B2B payment space.
What sets Finexio's data security apart from other companies is that we've built security in the very fabric of everything that we do, from people to processes to architecture. We made sure that we partnered with some of the world's most advanced third parties in terms of cloud security to ensure that some of the most important data that we have, which is customer data, sensitive data, is in databases that are in the most secure parts of these third-party cloud infrastructure. The integration between security and the business side and the operations side is really important. Security can't be a silo. We are just as good as what the rest of the company does. So what we've done is we, from a security perspective, work very closely with the marketing folks, with the sales folks, and with the engineering team, development team, to make sure that security is built into the fabric of everything that we do. What we have done is we have regular, almost daily calls to make sure that security is updated on what the rest of the team is doing and vice versa. And this way, that collaboration has been very valuable for both sides, right? As a matter of fact, what we do from a security perspective, and we ask operations, what can we do for you? What is it that security can do to make sure that the products are better, that's more secure? What can we do for our clients to make sure that we stay at the cutting edge of a better product, not only more secure, but a much more efficient product?